impeachment. Or any of my kids are children, but you are children. I'm impeachment to you, and I told you about it. And we are back, we are coming back full force.
The whole issue of impeachment was to control me and get me to support the pressure and support us. I said no. I won that election. I have the right to contest an election. The Constitution gave me that right. And in Edo State, we have said no to vote for that reason. We respect leaders. Leaders come together to agree and they discuss. And at the end of the day, the will of the people will prevail. Nobody, no matter who the person is, can tell anybody that he cannot contest an election. We can only appeal for collective. We all agree and say, for the purpose of the group, let's support X. And I am somebody that is a team player. I'm a team player. So the whole issue of impeachment was to get me to support the pressure to support Asserting. Because Asserting itself funded the impeachment. And that is the person that wants to be governor of Edo State. He's not governor yet, he's already funding impeachment. So for me, the impeachment thing, they thought they would use it to get cajole me to supporting the governor. I said no. And you can see how confused they have become. I became deputy governor at 46. They are bringing Ipa Oge to be deputy governor at 66. Is that what Nigerian youth are? No. No youth cannot. A 66-year-old man to be deputy governor of Edo State. When you are going to deputy governor, me, Philip Shaibu, was deputy governor at 46. So are we going forward or are we going back? We said the youth are the leaders of tomorrow. Ipa is not taking our position. We will not allow it. Not in Edo. And they are talking about scandal. I heard they say scandal. When we open the next page, we know who has scandal and who doesn't have scandal.